Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your August energy. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in August and how we can use this reading to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Scorpio, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of August. Thank you. So, all right, Scorpio, let's begin your reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Scorpio, you are thinking of a brand new beginning right now. This is your current energy first I'm picking up. You are wanting a brand new beginning with something or someone. Okay. And you're really stressing about it, aren't you? Overall energy, sleepless nights, can't sleep, going over and over in your head. Something about a new beginning here. So let me clarify your current energy first, and we'll move on to the August energy. So before I begin, I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you. Lord Ganesha, what do you have for my Scorpio gang? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for August? Generosity. Generosity is going to get you what you want, Scorpio. Be generous with others and also with yourself. Reciprocity and equal give and take is going to be very important if this new beginning that's on your mind is to take off. Okay, so generosity is the key to getting you what you want. Let's see why that is. Why is Scorpio currently in the Fool energy, spirit? What's this new beginning that is on their mind? You want to start from scratch. Yeah, you want to start from scratch. It's almost like new. Everything is new. You want to send a message, maybe, or you're waiting for a message. Things have stagnated. Maybe something or somebody has been distant from you or has walked away from you. You really want to begin again if possible. What is this, spirit? Could we have some more clarification, please? Some more clarification. Yes, you're willing to put in the work. You are wanting victory. You want success. After something has come to an end, you want to now, right now you're feeling very deflated, I think, Scorpio, because something has ended. Maybe something got separated from you or went away from you. You want to re-begin. You want to start from scratch. You want victory in it. In the past, I think you had it all. You had the Ten of Pentacles. You had all the security, stability, abundance, but you lost it somewhere. You lost it. And I think in the recent past, you may have been grieving over this as well. A lot of regret, a lot of sorrow, a lot of guilt, because maybe at that time you didn't see the truth. You couldn't make a choice, or you didn't see the truth in what was actually available to you. Maybe after that things slowed down, or they ended, or something left your life. But now, yes, I see you wanting to restart here. You want a re-beginning of something which you lost. You had everything. Ten of Pentacles is having everything, and then losing it hurts, right? So that's why that little bit of sleepless nights and tension and guilt and looking back and regret and sorrow is there, because you feel it ended, but you haven't given up, Scorpio. You are still wanting victory. You want a re-beginning of this. So coming up in August, what do we have for Scorpio, spirit? You're very obsessed about whatever this is, Scorpio, in August. Your mind, heart, soul, everything, I think you have thought long and hard about what this new beginning you want. Yes, you're obsessed. You're stuck on this thing. You want to revive this once again. You want your stability. You want your happiness. And it's consuming you to a point of obsession. What else, spirit, for August? Yes, you are willing to fight for it one more time. You're not willing to back down at all. I think you've tried a couple of times, maybe more than a couple, and it maybe hasn't worked out. But I do see you still having hope that, yes, you want to hold on to this. You want to grab it with both your hands and not let it go. You are willing to fight for whatever you feel is yours and you lost. One more time. So what's going to come towards? Yes. I was just about to ask, so what can we expect for Scorpio in August? Sorry, I was asking Spirit, what can we expect for Scorpio in August? And this beautiful card of the Empress came. So yes, there is a full possibility that your wish for growth, abundance, stability and forward movement is all in order. Because you have not given up that dream of yours. I think you've been obsessively working towards it. And yes, you're going to be achieving it now, Scorpio, it seems, in August. What else? Yes, there's going to be fast forward movement coming. Fast forward movement. It's going to ignite your soul once again because of the right choices that you have made for yourself. You've lost it once, but you haven't given up. You have tried your level best to focus, obsessively so, to regain what was lost in the past. So, Spirit, what is it that Scorpio should hold on to? Hold on, Scorpio, just for a second for me. Let me just put my battery back wire on. Okay. So, what should Scorpio hold on to, Spirit? Eight of Pentacles. Scorpio, the work that you've been putting in, the consistent work without stopping, I think the work that you've been putting in, you continue to do that. Very soon you'll see that you are head and shoulders above all other competition. Look at this. This is you working tirelessly towards that goal of yours that you want, that stability that you've been looking for, that abundance and growth and happiness that you've been looking for. Spirit is saying, hold on to this, Scorpio. You're doing a fantastic job and you will be rewarded. One more. Yes, see? Happiness, joy, celebrations in August. Regaining everything. This is reconciliation, happiness once again, getting back what you lost and celebrating life once again. So what should Scorpio let go of, Spirit? Scorpio, I think if you lost some stability in the past, I think you should let that go because that's a thing of the past. Don't hold on to the memories of that too much. I know you're very obsessive right now. Something that broke down, some structured stability that you had in your life. Maybe you lost a job and maybe you lost your home. Maybe you lost, some business partnership or something. Don't focus too much on the things that are already over and out. Because your hard work is taking you to a much happier place now. And it's coming because of you. And you're being rewarded big time. I mean, Empress is not a small card, Scorpio. It's the highest level of abundance in the tarot card. Yes, now you absolutely can go forward, clear-sighted. There's no more confusion. You're starting from the one again. The tens are over. Right? The betrayals, the distrust, the feeling deflated, all that is over. The burdens are gone and now you're totally focused. This is focus, absolutely mind focus onto your new goals. Forget about what didn't work out in the past. So what can become Scorpio's biggest blockage, Spirit? What can become Scorpio's biggest blockage? Scorpio, you are getting all the ones, first of all. You had the Ace of Swords, now I see a Ace of Cups and the Sunshine as well. I mean, the Sun card is the happiest card in the deck and it's paired with the Ace of Cups. This overthinking is becoming a blockage. Because maybe you lost some of that happiness in the past, maybe you lost love in the past, you somewhere doubt yourself. Even though you're working towards it, you end up having sleepless nights and worrying and wondering whether it's going to pay, your hard work is going to pay off. So don't allow this. Don't do some yoga, meditation, whatever that can get you a good night's sleep. So make sure your sleeping pattern is healthy and well, and you're getting your 8 hours of sleep, because this is coming and you're unnecessarily worrying about it. This is assured for you. All the aces are on the table. I mean, the two best ones are here. No, yeah, three are here. Sorry, I'm so sorry. You have the Ace of Pentacles, you have the Ace of Cups, and you have the Ace of Swords. Now, which one is missing? The Ace of Wands. Yes, only I think that is missing. Or has it come already? I would be surprised if it has, but no, it hasn't. I did get the Knight of Wands though, which is quick action. But with all these aces, if you are going to kind of negate it by stressing and creating negative energy around your heart, then it's going to be a little tough for the universe to send these new blessings to you. Okay? So yes, I think the universe is going to be very generous to you. As Lord Ganesha said, generosity. So whatever you have given in the past, you are going to be getting 10-folds back. How do people see my Scorpio now, Spirit, in the month of August? How do their close people who know them very well, their parents, their children, maybe their best friends, how do their spouse? Oh, here's the Ace of Wands. We were waiting for this one. All 4 aces for you in August. All 4 aces. You can't get a better reading than this, Scorpio. But people around you, they are, yes, they see you as very spiritual. They see you as also keeping a few secrets to yourself, not really opening up as much. They see you being a bit defensive and defending your position, keeping secrets, not opening up as much as maybe you used to. They also see you very burdened with a lot of responsibilities. You may be working very hard, Scorpio, but they see that fire that's lit, which is propelling you to great success. So that's a good thing. That's a very, very good thing. People are seeing that even though you have a lot of work, you're very excited and very propelled towards these new beginnings of yours. So all 4 aces on the table for you, Scorpio. The universe is going to be very generous with you, I think, in August. But just be a little mindful of your own self-sabotage of worrying about it too much and stressing about it. I mean, you're showing up as the Empress. What else can I say? This is attracting good fortune by, all your past efforts and work, and now you can sit and relax and accept the generosity of the universe. So what is Spirit's secret message for you, Scorpio? The Lovers. Why is that, Spirit, a secret message? It's also the card of choice. So let's see what Spirit wants to say. Why is... Okay. No, there is, I think, some love coming towards you. 1 second. Lots of choices, lots of choices, lots of choices. My God. My God. All right. You're looking into your future. Yes, there's sudden changes coming. There's sudden changes coming, Scorpio, for you. They're going to confuse the hell out of you, because there are a lot of people who are offering you a lot of proposals. Now, these proposals could be work, business, I don't know what, but they're going to be heartfelt, and it's going to take you straight to the 10 of Pentacles. But the problem here is, Scorpio, that all these, at least maybe more than 1 or 2, are going to make you feel this is it. And you may have to make a very difficult decision as to what makes your heart happy here. Okay, you will have to think long and hard. Take your time, Spirit is saying. Your future is open now. The whole wide world is open for you. Your ships are coming in. So just kind of take a little time and make a wise decision. Keep things to yourself, first of all. Don't reveal everything to everyone because of gossip and stuff like that. The options that will be available to you will, yes, confuse you a little bit, but there'll be plenty of options, and you will have to choose which is going to be the one where you see a 10 of Pentacles and a future with. This could be a job, this could be a new location that you are, maybe a new house that you're buying, maybe you have to choose between 5 houses or five job proposals or something, or even partners, I don't know. But whatever, they're all good. They're all good. You'll have to make a choice. It's like the universe is saying, I'm giving you ice cream and I'm giving you chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, strawberry flavor, pistachio flavor, and whatever other flavor, and they all are yummy, right? Which one do you want? And here you are stressing. Can't sleep at night because, my God, look at the offers coming towards you in August. So don't get blocked by your overthinking either. Take your time. You have all the time in the world. You're showing up as the Empress now. I would suggest let them prove their worth. If it's job applications, whatever is giving you the highest, salary or benefits or whatever. If it's a partnership, depends on how much percentage stake you have in the company. If this is these are love offers, then of course whatever makes your heart sing. All right. So that's all I have for you. Till your next reading, Scorpio. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.